If you want to grow potatoes, you have several options on what to grow them from and also what to grow them in. First, potatoes do not grow from seeds. You may have read about so-called seed potatoes, but they are just regular potatoes like those you buy at a grocery store. Seed potatoes are several times more expensive than regular potatoes, but they can offer you some varieties that you can't buy at a grocery store. Once you have your potatoes, you can either plant them whole, especially if they are smaller, or you can cut them in half or even several pieces. You only have to make sure that each piece has at least one so-called eye. Eyes are small eye-shaped indentations in the potato like this one, and that's where the plant is going to grow from. When you cut up your planting potatoes, leave them on a table for a few hours to let a scab form on the cut side. There is one more option, the most economical. You can eat the potatoes and plant only the cut out eyes, or even just peels if your peels are thicker. These eyes are only half an inch each, but they are enough, and each eye will grow a separate plant. These are eyes planted in little containers just to show they'll work, and they were the same size as these. You also have several options what to grow your potatoes in. You can simply grow them in ground. If you have very hard soil such as clay, or you don't want to dig at harvest, you can grow them in raised beds, grow bags, or the most economical option, in cardboard boxes. For step-by-step planting instructions and healing when your plants are about 6 to 8 inches, please watch my other very short videos, links in the description.